Hello, what's going guys? Ronaldo here and welcome back to this another video tutorial. So in the previous video guys, we just learned how we can use a linear layout tags to modify the appearance of our text elements, our text view elements. So this one right here is a text view, is an element. So that is what we did in the previous video. So we just make some modification of our codes. Instead of putting the match parent, and we change it to field parent. Okay, so and we notice that it is matched exactly as it is in our editor of our Android Studio and into our Android phone. So now we just want another adventure of our code. So we just want to level up the coding that we did in the previous video. So instead of only this one, hello developer, this is just the simple string that we just put into our Android screen. So now what we will do is that we just get into the things that make it more attractive. So we just add some design. So okay, so design attribute. So okay, so hello world developers. So as you can see right here, text view ID. Okay, declare attribute wrap content text ID text view hello. So okay, so in the layout, okay, so what you will see right here, wrap content, is also you will see it right here in the declared attribute, since we declared an attribute. Okay, that is why we can see it right here, that it in the layout with match parent wrap content, and this one, because these are the attributes that we declared right now, and it's showing in the layout that that the layout width is wrap content, the layout height with wrap content, and okay, that's in the layout. So now in the common attributes, we can also see right here that we declare a text, and that is a string hello developer, and we can find it in the we can find it also right here in our main is our resource values, and then right here, so we can find it right here, hello developer. So in our design, we can also see it right, common attributes in add string. Okay, in add string directory or file, then we've added the name hello developer. Okay, so it will just add to this, add the name. Okay, so in the resource porting in the string XML. So okay, so it will just automatically add. So okay, so or we can add it. Okay, because without this one, I think this is also a reference that we need to add. So here a name in the string XML. So common attribute, then we go to the all attributes. Okay, so we go to the all attribute, and then whenever we want to change the background of this one in our main canvas, we want it not only white, but we want it to change in the themes or the colors. So what we need to do, we will just click the main canvas. Remember, we assigned an ID main canvas, so we just click it, and then we will just we can search right here. To make it quick, just write background, so we can get in directly to that certain attributes that you want. So and then we can just click this one, and then instead of just a plain white, and we want it to change like this one or like that, or the color that you want. Okay, so you can choose it in the tool palette, this one, color palette, or you can just exactly put the hex code right here. Okay, the equivalent. So okay, so and then right now I just wanted the color to be like that. Okay, so once you done that, okay, now so the text, okay, notice that we click the main canvas, then it will just show us that we are now in the main canvas properties, and then if we click right in the text, and we are now in the text view, or in the text view properties, this one right here. So now what will whenever you want to change the font, we want to change the font and then the size of the font and how it will be look like. So we can just go right here in the all attribute, the same what we did before. So if you want to put the background of your text, maybe we can just put it background of your of our text. We can just change it something like this one, or if you want to add a background, so it's up to you if you want to add a background. But for now we will not, maybe we will not add a background. Okay, so we just leave it like that. Okay, so we will just delete it. Okay, hit enter. So notice it will just get back to the original. Then what we will want it to be is, we want it to be increased to scale the font size, okay, or to change the type of font that we are using. So instead of that, we will just scroll down, and then what we wanna do is, we will just find something like where we should find it. Okay, so scroll down, and you will see right there text. Okay, so there's another cool thing that you can do when you are designing the text. So okay, we can use the style attribute. This one is an attribute, so we can just change it to okay, text view is talking about text view. Okay, we can just we can change something like this one, and it will change the okay, as you notice, it will change the type of our font, and how the font will be look like. So we can also click this one. Okay, so you can just explore the widget that are in this style properties. So you can just select this one, you can just choose one of them, and then you will just apply it. So for example like that, and then what we want to do is, we will just change the color. Instead of black, I will just make it white. So just type the hex code. Okay, so notice it's changed to white now, and then what I want is where is it? Okay, just type like a text, and text alignment. Okay, so main canvas, we are not in the main canvas. Okay, so text color, and then okay, so what we are do now, text style. So you can just click the bold, you want it to be bold, and then we can just increase the size if you want it to be something like bigger. So we can just increase the size. Okay, so we can just make it selectable. So we can just check this one, but we will not do it. So then in the theme, there are also in the theme text appearance. So there are a lot of things you can do here in Unreal Studio, and I think it is awesome to use, rather than I think Eclipse also is best. Eclipse also is good. That is what I'm using before, but yeah, that is what I'm using before Eclipse, and they are most likely they have a similarity. So you will not bother if you are using before an Eclipse, and then you will migrate to this unrestricted pattern. It is okay, it's probably okay, because they are most likely the same. Okay, so we can just use this one instead, or just find what is best for you. Okay, so if you want this one to make it large, so it's up to you. That is you can select the properties that are in this attribute. So right now we will just leave it like this one, hello developer, or okay, text appearance. Okay, we just leave it like that, and we okay, so we will just collapse that one, or bold. Okay, that is okay. So text size 36 dp. Okay. Okay, and this one okay, notice we changed the text color, and then okay, so okay, that's pretty much for now. Okay, so Okay, auto link, we don't want to add any auto link. The background, we don't want to add a background, is it? Okay, so I think that is what we want for now. So font family, we can change this one, font family. If you want it to be something like the another font, and then other font, like, you know, you can choose right here in our in the resource fonts window. So you can just scroll down and select what type of font you want to use and apply it immediately into our Android screen. Okay, so let us just scroll down. Okay, scroll down, and then we'll just select what type of font we want to use. So instead of that, we'll just look for another font or cool fonts that we can use. So D1, okay, I don't like it. Okay, so scroll down. I think there is a great font that I interested in this. There's a font that I really like to use in these properties. Okay, so where is that? Okay, lucky is guy. So I think that is okay, but let's try another one. Okay, so you can just look lots of fonts that is already added into our Android Studio. Okay, so Analika, what is the name of that font? I think Analika. Okay, it's not Analika. Okay, no, I guess that is what I like, the font. Okay, so now okay, so that's it. We put right there that in this one. So we can also add some buttons, but maybe I will do it in the other tutorial, so in the next video tutorial. So make sure to follow me in my next video. So there are lots of stuff that we can add other than this text in this series of videos. So let me try to run it again. So I will just cut this video right now because it's taking time now. So okay, so I will just let me just install it. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so okay, so let me run it again, and okay, so hopefully it will really appear exactly as it is in the editor. So okay, so notice or no. Okay, so what is happening, the reason behind this one, because the font exists the size of our you know, into the layout. So you can just, if you can see it in my Android phone, it display above next above the first line. So because the size is much greater than into the layout. So instead of that, you can just decrease it to the 24 pixel, and then as you notice in my Android phone, and when we will refresh, okay, so it will be installing, so it will just take some time. So okay, so okay, I will just open it again. Okay, and let us wait till it will be installed. Process installing. So okay, so install finished. So that's it. It's displayed correctly as it is in our editor. So that is this for the that is in this video, guys. So see you in my next video. So if you are just new and watching this video right now, you are a beginner, so don't forget to subscribe to stay updated to my upcoming videos. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye for now.